Happy New Year, everybody. Testing out the GoldiBox today. Got a beautiful spot. Tons of bedrock. We're going to go clean that crack out right where my bucket is. I think there's going to be a lot of color. Look at that cross section. And we'll see what we can do. Look at this crack. This is all bedrock right through a high pressure zone, so if this has never been cleaned, there'll be some color. Yeah, this is good looking material. These magic fingers are awesome. And they're one of the best tools for working bedrock. It's a fantastic recommendation. Alright, I'm going to get to it. So, I'm hammering out this crack over here. I found a lot of good chunky gold today. I saw it as I was washing it down into the Highbanker. So hopefully our clean out will be nice. We're going to do that real quick. I got just this last little bucket of material to run here, and then we'll do a clean out. We'll see how we did. Not good. Let's run that again. All right. Okay, so just did a clean out. This is all our concentrates. I see gold in the pan. It was a good day. That's some great bedrock over there. I saw some good chunkers. So, it's a good way to start the new year. A lot of black sand. Oh yeah, I see color. Kind of murky water. I wish we had a better pool. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh sweet. That's a good day. There's some nice chunky gold in there. I don't know if you guys can see that. I wish it was sunnier. But I haven't had a day like this in a while. Happy New Year. Nice. I think I'll come back down tomorrow.